Okay, welcome back guys, and in today's video we'll be learning how to do cross-site request forgery. Before we start this video, I just want to give you a disclaimer that by watching this video you accept the terms and regulations of you won't be misusing this information I'll be giving, and I'm not responsible for any illegal activity you do with this information I give to you. So today we'll be learning CSRF, also cross-site request forgery, with DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Web Application. So I hope you guys enjoy. Sit back and let's get into this. Okay, so first we want to start our XAMPP server. So let's go up and start that. Okay, let's stop. Let's put that on. Let's start that. Okay, so I'll let that start up. So over here we want to go to 127. Whoopsie. 127 DVWA. And there we go. Admin. Okay. So we want to put this on low, submit, just to give you guys an example of how to do this. Okay, so we'll be using Damn Vulnerable Web Application today guys. So cross-site request forgery is basically changing a victim's password without them knowing, like a redirection or something like that almost. This can also be used in hacking bank accounts and things like that. I don't recommend you doing that because you will be arrested. I've never done that or participated in any illegal activity before. I do ethical hacking. So what we want to do is we want to put our password. My password for my admin login was 1234. So what I'm going to put here is I'm going to put noob. Okay, N-O-O-B. I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to say change. So now once we've changed it, you'll see we get something like this. So we want to copy that, right? So now you guys are probably asking, did I really change the password? Yes, I did. Okay, so admin. So just to show you guys I'm not lying, 1234. Let's copy that. Let's paste. As you can see, login failed. So admin noob login. Okay, so there we're logged into our noob account. Let's just submit to that. So now we know it's noob, so I'm gonna put noob there again. I'm gonna say change, don't save. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to keep that URL there. Okay, so let's view the page source first, right? Okay, so what we're looking for is we're looking for the form. We want to copy the form, right? Copy. Wanna go to Notepad. Wanna paste it there. Okay, so you'll get something looking like this, right? So we wanna go back and we wanna copy this piece over here. So once we copy that, just from the question mark backwards, right? Okay, so in these two exclamation marks by the hashtag, you want to remove that. Don't remove the exclamation marks because it won't work in there, right? Okay, so you want to paste that there. And so here where it stands new password, you want to remove that. So I'm going to put H1 tags over here because I want it to stand out. Click change to confirm your order. Then I'm gonna close my tag H1. Okay. So yeah, where you guys see input type password, we want to put that password as hidden. Again, don't remove the exclamation marks. So hidden. So here as well, where it says password again. No, not that one. This one, where the two exclamation marks are again. So I want to put that there. Okay. So this confirm new password. We want to remove that. So now what you want to remove is this one also. You want to remove that closing bracket. So these ones here as well, you want to remove that. You see over there, you want to remove both of the closing tags over there. You want to remove that. Same as this one, you want to remove. Okay, so now once that is done, we want to put value equals quotation marks. Let's put hacked, and then we want to close it up. So then you just do the same again, value equals hacked, and then you want to close it up. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to look, guys. I'll leave it like this for a bit so you can have a look at how it should be. Okay, so I now think that you guys are supposed to have it by now on how the form should look like to be able to do this. So what you want to do is you want to save desktop. Want to go my site.html my site, save. Okay, so it's all changed into colors. I want to close that. So here's our site over here. So let's open that up. So now you can see click change to confirm your order. So now if we click change, this our DVWA password would change, our login password. So let's see if it will change to hacked. Right, so let's write our password here, hacked. Let's copy that. Okay, let's say change. Okay, as you can see, password is changed. So let's log out, admin. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna copy this again, copy, let's paste, login, and there we go, guys. There we just logged in. I hope this helped you out on how to do cross-site request forgery. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you ran into any errors, just comment down in the section below and I'll help you guys out. Hope you enjoyed, and enjoy.